Hey, greetings, and today we're going to be looking at part 3 of our 3-part series for ngx Markdown, and we're going to be dealing with emoji support and k-tex, right? So if not, please like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, reach out to me in the comments for any help, tips, and suggestions. Alright, so now in this final part, what you want to do is provide for extra features such as setting up emoji support. Right, so what we want to go ahead and do is we're going to update our angular.json like so. Right, and if you want to go ahead and take a look in the front end, right, you see on the line where it says I heart ngx-markdown, right, that's going to be our emoji. However, after we update our application, right, we're going to see that we get our emoji in real time. So let us try to make changes to the code according to the documentation. Right, and then even though I replaced the HTML, what I need this to work is for the application to restart. So let me go ahead and restart the application. Or start the application in my case. Right, and now we get to see our markdown emoji. Right, so next, what we want to provide for is k-tex support, and k-tex just helps visualize mathematical expressions, and you get to see what I mean. Right, so below the emoji example, right, we have this mathematical expression, and we're not too sure what it looks like, especially for our math majors. We're going to use the k-tex library in order to help us visualize that in our application. So we're going to go to Angular JSON update like so. Right, then we're going to reload the application. Right, and now we're going to make changes. And now we just want to make additional changes. Right, we want to provide for k-tex options. Right, so we're just going to add that code here like so. And finally, we're going to update the HTML like so. Right, if you want to pay attention to the directives, the k-tex directives, right? And now, with that said, if we go ahead and take a look at our application, right, we get to see our mathematical expression, right? And then if you want more of a reference, right, you could definitely look at the k-tex to see how that gets set up. So, hey, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, reach out to me in the comments for any help, tips, and suggestions.